Good morning, Mandeville. So we have finally made it to the end of term. It's been another unusual one, with another lockdown, learning from home, bubble school, and now for 3 weeks we have all been back at Mandeville. It has been so great to have everybody back, to see your fantastic attitudes to learning and seeing everybody having fun with their friends again. Now we can look forward to the summer term with better weather, some of the restrictions easing so we can meet more people, and more learning and fun. I want to start today's assembly with a very special award, the Mandeville Friendship Award. This letter has been sent to me from Kelly. It says, "Dear Mrs. Williams, I would like to nominate this person for the Friendship Award. I have worked in the same year group as this boy twice, but never in the same class as him until bubble school. I have spoken with Miss Castillo, who agrees this nomination is deserved. Indra is a kind, considerate and caring member of our bubble to all of the other children and adults. I have watched Indra teach other children how to play football and basketball. He has been patient, encouraging and supportive. He is willing to help any child that asks for it, and even when they don't ask, I have seen Indra notice that they are alone, looking bored or unhappy, and he has welcomed them into any game he is playing. He has also encouraged me to have a go and invited me to join his games. Indra looks out for everyone he comes into contact with, not just those who would be classed as his close friends. He is aware that different people need support in different ways, and this shows when he is working or playing with his classmates. He is also a wonderful role model as he is always polite to his peers or teachers. During lockdown, Indra has kept in touch with some of his friends through regular Zoom meetings. Although Indra has been in school, he is aware not everyone is so lucky to be able to see and spend time with other children every day. Our bubble, Heron's class and Mandeville as a whole are very lucky to have someone who is so thoughtful and genuinely wants to see others do well as part of our community. Many thanks, Kelly Turner." What a lovely thing to hear, Indra. What a great friend you are and a brilliant role model. We do feel really lucky to have you. And here is your Friendship Award, which Miss Castillo will be able to give you. Well done. Now, I have got a few more awards to give. This term, we haven't been able to have our Stars of the Week, so I thought it would be good to have Stars of the Spring. So I'm going to hand over to your teachers now to find out who their stars are.
Okay, so I have a star here for a fabulous young boy in year 3. This person has been working consistently hard all of year 3 actually, but especially in the spring term. He's shown great adaptability, so he had to go from being into bubble school and going home again when he didn't expect to, and all the way through he showed really consistent learning behaviour. He also is a fabulous friend to the lovely Albert. He's so supportive and caring, and he really thinks of him all the time. So this is for Brendan.
My star is for somebody who has worked extremely hard in lockdown, harder than anyone else by miles, even though lots of people worked very hard. She, as a result, has come back to school and made so much progress and been absolutely fantastic and confident in the classroom. And that is for Xanthi.
So, my star for the spring term is someone who consistently worked really hard at home, pushing themselves to do all the challenges. They did some fantastic oracy challenges for me, and since he's been back at school, he's been trying really hard with his writing and to always do his best, and that is Themis.
My star is for Sido, and he is a superstar writer. Well done for always trying your best and writing in 4 sentences.
My star of the spring is Arjun. He is a kind, decent, honest, hard-working individual who is always putting maximum effort into everything he does. He also works incredibly hard during the lockdown school and has continued that coming back into school. You're a superstar, Arjun. Well done.
My star for the spring term is for Jude in the Herons, because
She has made the most progress. She's worked really hard. She's become extremely independent, and she is now doing everything that I ask her to. She knows what, she knows where to find her work. She knows how to solve things and use resources. Well done, Jude. I am so proud of you. Kelly and I were both so impressed with you in Bible school. You deserve the star more than anyone.
My star is for Archer. He gave 100% in lockdown and is still giving 100% with his work and everything he does. And he's been such a good friend to all the new Hawks we've had this year. So mine is for Archer.
My star is for Martha because Martha is brilliant. She's done a great job during lockdown. She's able to support other children in their learning and just does it without being asked. She's shown brilliant resilience and she's beginning to push her boundaries, which is so nice to see.
The Kite Star goes to Adi, who was unbelievably hardworking and enthusiastic all through lockdown. He completed every single task and he was in every Zoom meeting with a smile on his face and took on lots of the challenges we set. So well done, Adi.
The Swan Star is for Gabby, who has just really impressed Mrs. Van Uffelen and I with her enthusiasm and attitude since she's been back at school. She's been phenomenal, so keep it up and well done, Gabby. We're very proud of you.
My superstar this term is Remy. You have been an absolute superstar learner this term. The progress you have made in your reading and writing has just been absolutely amazing. I am so proud of you. Well done, Remy.
The person who I am nominating has been a fabulous member of Penguin's class, both in school and during home learning. They just do everything that they need to do. They're a brilliant talking partner in school. They always work to the best of their ability, and I'm just really proud of everything they have done. And the person I'm nominating is Lily.
In Year 2, we've had so many stars to choose from, but we have managed to narrow it down to two particularly special stars that we've chosen for Robins and Wrens. So the star this week for Wrens is going to somebody who has come back from learning at home really, really confident and has put her hand up a lot more, has joined in a lot more and has made loads of progress in her learning. So the star for Wrens is for Anaya. And for Robins, our star this week is going to somebody who always shows a really great attitude to learning, is curious and excited and engaged in everything we do. And the star for Robins goes to Hunter. Well done, both of you.
How fantastic that we have got so many stars at Mandeville. I know all the teachers found it so difficult that they could only pick one person. Well done, everyone. Now, we're just about to break up for Easter, and Easter and spring are known for new life, new things growing, and looking forward with hope for the future. 2021 has been a really hard year already, and I know lots of us have found lockdown really difficult. But we can start to look forward now to new things happening in the summer term and brighter things ahead. And here's a story all about that. I hope you will enjoy it, and I know some of your teachers will.
Hi, I'm Reggae. Fox was just telling me that he's had a bad day today. We can all have bad days, but it's important to remember that tomorrow will be much brighter. That's the message in tonight's bedtime story. It's called Rain Before Rainbows and is written by Smriti Halls with illustrations by David Litchfield. Rain before rainbows. Clouds before sun. Night before daybreak. The old day is done. There are mountains for climbing, journeys to take, dreams that are hopeful, decisions to make. Dark days may shake us, and worries creep in, with dragons to duel and battles to win. Thunder will rumble, and lightning will flash. The tall waves will crash. But there are footsteps to follow, and words that are wise, a map that will guide us when troubles arise. Friends will help us, courageous and kind, a rope to hold on to, and treasure to find. Sowing and planting, roots before shoot, stem before flower, leaf before fruit, rain before rainbows, clouds before sun, night before daybreak, a new day is begun. A day full of promise, a day full of light. The morning is breaking, and the morning is bright. What a beautiful bedtime story. Tomorrow will be a good day. Have colourful rainbow dreams full of hope, adventure, and treasure. And I'll see you soon for another bedtime story. Good night.
There does always have to be rain before rainbows and darkness before light, but I'm really hopeful that the rain is behind us now and the darkness with lockdown and restrictions and illness. And hopefully we can all look forward to a much brighter summer term and have hope that everything will be going back to normal soon. I hope you have a fantastic break over Easter and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye. Oh, and one last thing. I know lots of you will be missing Molly from my assemblies, and I did plan to have her in this one, but look, she is just too tired and too sleepy. She's had enough of this term too, and she's ready for a rest, aren't you? So she'll see you on the 13th of April. Bye, everyone.